Cobenfy represents a new generation of antipsychotic medication. It contains xanomeline plus trospium chloride and is FDA approved for treating schizophrenia in adults. Cobenfy has shown the ever-brilliant result in helping us. It was originally developed by Karuna Therapeutics under the name CAR-XT. It is currently marketed by Bristol Myers Squibb, BMS. It activates M1 and M4 muscarinic acetylcholine receptors, which indirectly regulate dopamine activity through neural circuits. One unique feature of this new medication is its targeting of the specific neuronal circuits via M1 and M4, differing from the broad blocking of dopamine receptors throughout the brain, as in other antipsychotic medications such as risperidone. For the same reason, patients usually experience much milder side effects when taking Cobenfy. It's promising treatment and with much fewer side effects because of its rather more specific and limited targeted brain regions. It has become the newest medication in treating one of our most deliberating human condition, schizophrenia. I suggest there is a precondition to reach this effectiveness, or, say, to reach the therapeutic response. The condition should only be based on a broader activation of the neuronal circuit network that might offer a chance for these indirect connections to reach from M1 and M4 receptors to dopamine activity. And then, quickly, the next idea is, once you dive into this complicated network, other seemingly unrelated circuits may also become indirectly involved in either activating or revoking these effects, leading to a domino-like cascade of success, despite also carrying a risk of failure in the treatment outcome. This understanding is indeed aligned with clinical evidence, which is strongest for improving positive symptoms.
This understanding also explains when patients are not experiencing more positive symptoms, meaning the brain's neuronal circuits may not be in broader activation. Typically, in negative symptoms such as emotional blunting and social withdrawal, it remains uncertain whether Cobenfy provides substantial benefits. Our neurological system remains an ever-evolving mystery in human biology. Most recent research has highlighted the introduction of ideas from physics into neurology, such as energy matching, in explaining one or at most two unique cases that are indeed, very much like schizophrenia, but not fully explained. My above ideas regarding Cobenfy emphasize that our internal brain activities seem to have no way to embrace any so-called external matched energy connection directly, meaning it must be indirectly to occur through our sensory organs. Means if anyone feels that non-visible or non-audible signals to others are seemingly real signals, the reasons are 1. Schizophrenia. 2. Internal brain activity from a physics view, resulting in the associated energy may extend or leak outward. However, the point is the probability. The probability of reaching an actual matching state would require another mutual side in the possibilities, or say probability the same likewise and the environment in between, which then adds to all the other possibilities, or say probability in the environment, in a mathematical view. More precisely, in our ever-changing environment, the same seemingly well-matched energy, for example in San Francisco, may never work again, for example in Boxborough, Boston area, or in Nepean, Ontario. Our brain remains one of the highest energy demands in our system. I suggest the brain may not yet reach its optimal evolutionary state, or that it should be our first system to become more vulnerable to decline during stress, typically like during our aging. Thank you for watching, more will follow.